What's up everybody, Chef John here. Today we're going to be making chicken burgers from scratch. It's a spinach, feta, and onion burger. We're going to be grinding our own chicken today. In this recipe for this video, we're using an air-chilled chicken. It's chicken thighs. I like chicken thighs because I feel like they have a little bit more flavor, texture, tenderness, but you can use breasts. Breasts are a little bit leaner, so if you're looking for a little bit more low calorie, low fat. The other ingredients, I just buy a crumbled feta cheese. You can buy a block of feta if you like and crumble it yourself. The spinach, I bought organic, but you know, regular is also perfect too. And then a little dried minced onion and salt, and that's it. So the first thing I like to do is season the chicken with the salt, minced onion here. And then just kind of mix that around. We're gonna grind the spinach that's been pre-cooked. So once the chicken and spinach is ground, I'm gonna add the feta cheese and mix everything together. Now we're ready to scoop. I'm gonna get everything nice and tight, and then we'll scoop it right onto the pan. If there's one left over, that's my little taster snack one. And then really just need to press them down a little bit. All right, so the burgers are going into a 375-degree oven for approximate times. It's about 16 to 18 minutes. We're gonna use a thermometer. We're gonna pull the burgers at 170 degrees. For thighs, I tend to go a little bit more. All right, so the timer just went off. I'm gonna pull the burgers out. The center burger is gonna be the least cooked of all the ones on the pan. So if that burger is cooked to 170, which it is, looks like I got my little snack here. I'm gonna have that right now. Oh man, so good. You could eat them right away, you know, right out of the oven, put them on a dish with vegetables and rice or potatoes. They're ready to go. If you are gonna put them on the grill, I would recommend letting them cool to just a room temperature. That way it'll allow everything to set, the juices can get back into the meat. Also, you can cool these to room temperature, put them in the fridge uncovered until they cool completely, and cover them up, and they're ready to go for either lunch the next day. It's good for meal prepping for the week, or you can have these ready to go. So say you have a big barbecue coming up, all you want to do is put a little char and heat them up. So this is our finished chicken burger. It has, I just dressed it up with a little bit of tomato, lettuce, pickle, some sauce, and it's on a nice potato bun. You can do it however you like. That's the cool thing about cooking, is you can make it your own, put different toppings on, like pickled jalapenos, different sauces. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm super excited, I'm super hungry. Wow, the texture is so good. I know it went into it because we ground it ourselves, but like I said, it's great to use store-bought or butcher-bought ground chicken, ground turkey. It's gonna make this recipe great anyway, so, wow, so good. All right, thank you so much. I'm Chef John at Urbs and Spices. Have a great day.